Hey budgeters, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Ever wondered if there's a simpler way to manage your finances? If that sounds like you, stick around because today I'm diving into a platform that's designed to make financial management not just easier, but downright enjoyable. In this Monarch Money review, I'll take an in-depth look at this personal finance app. It's built to give you a complete view of your finances, all in one place. Whether you're managing your own budget, coordinating with your partner, or tracking multiple investments, Monarch Money promises to streamline everything so you can focus less on spreadsheets and more on reaching your financial goals. But does it live up to its promises? Stick around to find out. Monarch Money was founded by Val Agostino, a seasoned financial technology expert who, like many of us, struggled with the complexity of managing multiple accounts, budgets, and goals. His experience led to a vision: create a tool that not only tracks expenses, but also helps users achieve meaningful financial progress. Monarch is all about simplifying the way we handle money by providing a holistic view of everything: bank accounts, credit cards, investments, savings, and more in a single dashboard. And the best part? It offers powerful budgeting and goal-setting tools while maintaining top-tier security, ensuring your data is safe. Now, this platform isn't just for the budgeting nerds among us. Monarch caters to a wide range of users, including individuals, families, couples, and even investors who want real-time tracking of their portfolios. And with its smooth syncing across over 11,000 financial institutions, you won't need to log into separate accounts or shuffle between apps. Everything syncs right here. Since its launch, Monarch Money has become known for its clean interface and easy-to-understand visuals, which make even complex financial data feel digestible. You can track every dollar you spend, set financial goals, and monitor your progress without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, plan for retirement, or just stop overspending on takeout, Monarch's features are designed to help you stay on track. One unique aspect of the platform is how it fosters collaboration. You can invite someone to join your account, each with your own separate login, and view your combined financial picture together. No more awkward password sharing. I tested this with my partner, and it made things so much easier to track our shared expenses. It feels good to have everything in one place, especially when working toward joint financial goals, like saving for a new home or planning a big trip. It just makes money conversations feel way less stressful. What's really interesting is the feedback from Monarch Money users. Monarch Money has an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars in the Apple App Store from almost 30,000 reviewers. Many rave about how smooth the syncing process is and how the app simplifies financial planning, especially for couples. A common theme I saw was how many former Mint users love Monarch Money. If you aren't familiar with Mint, they were a popular free budgeting app that closed down a while back. Monarch Money has a similar layout and functionality as Mint used to have. The reviews about Monarch shows that it resonates with people looking for financial clarity and control without the stress of complex spreadsheets or disjointed apps. However, I must mention that not everyone had the smoothest experience. Some users reported occasional issues with bank syncing, though these seem more like quirks with the banks themselves rather than the platform. Honestly, no app is perfect, but when you compare Monarch to its competitors, the positives definitely outweigh the occasional hiccup. And the 4.9 out of 5 rating proves that these negative experiences are the exception rather than the rule. Now, I want to jump right into the meat of this review, because Monarch Money really shines when it comes to features. After using the app myself, I can tell you firsthand that it's designed with a clear goal: to simplify financial management without sacrificing depth. From checking and savings accounts to credit cards and brokerage portfolios, the app pulls everything together into one clear, easy-to-read dashboard. That means no more logging into 5 different apps just to see where you stand financially. And I love that Monarch tracks not only transactions and account balances, but also gives you real insights into your investments. Whether you want to monitor how your portfolio is performing or break down your asset allocation, Monarch gives you the tools to keep everything organized. Another feature that really impressed me is their goal-setting functionality. Personally, I think this is one of their best features. Whether you're saving for a vacation or working on paying off debt, Monarch lets you set up detailed goals and track your progress. You can even play with different scenarios, like what happens if you reduce dining out expenses or add an extra loan payment. I tried tweaking a few spending categories to see how they'd affect my savings over 6 months, and the results gave me some serious motivation to stick to my plan. The budgeting tools are where Monarch truly stands out from other apps I've tried, and I think the budgeting functionality is why many of you are here. What makes it different is how customizable everything is. You can create your own budget categories, add custom emojis, which is honestly more fun than it should be, and even change the way your expenses are displayed. I found this to be super helpful because, let's face it, not everyone budgets the same way. For example, I wanted to keep a close eye on my food delivery spending, so I set up a specific category for it. And Monarch alerts me if I'm getting too close to my limit. If you're someone who needs reminders to stay on budget, you'll appreciate these little nudges throughout the month. Let's talk pricing, because this is often where budgeting apps lose people. Monarch offers two subscription options, $14.99 per month or $69.99 per year. If you go with the annual plan, you save quite a bit. And honestly, I think the value is there if you're serious about getting your finances in shape. They also offer a 14-day free trial, which is a perfect way to see if the platform fits your needs without spending a dime up front. Oh, and if you decide to go for it, there's currently a promo where you can get 30% off your first year with the code WELCOME. That definitely softens the blow of committing to the paid plan, especially if you're switching over from a free app like Mint. Check my link in the description to receive that code. So, is Monarch Money worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for a personal finance app that does more than just track expenses, Monarch Money is one of the best tools out there. It's not just about numbers. It's about giving you a complete financial picture and helping you make smarter decisions. I love how it keeps me on track with my goals, provides investment insights, and makes managing money with a partner super easy. The level of customization you get is also unmatched. Whether you want to create your own budget categories or tweak your dashboard layout, it's all up to you. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by your finances or just want a better way to track your progress, Monarch Money is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching as always. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you've tried Monarch Money yourself, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Happy investing.